Every dream starts small, sometimes with a glass of water, sometimes with the cups of tea. This is the stories of a boys who made the rain is friends, stores is enemies. A corner of a slums in Mumbai is near the local train stations. It's rainy seasons. Corner of the slums, it's mornings, lights, rain is falling.
Just like every year, the rain is back, and again the roof is leaking.
His mother Lakshmi Devi enters.
Son, you opened the stall, but who will come for tea in this rain?
During rain, people ask for tea the most. Soaked and tired people, tea gives them comfort.
You will get wet, son. You'll fall sick.
If I stop working out of fear of getting sick, then hunger will kill me, mom.
Sonu's friends Raju comes over.
Sonu, opened your stall this early. Who is going to come in this rain? This is the perfect time for tea. When everyone has looked for shelter, I light the stove and give them warmth. You really think differently, buddy. Those who think different are the ones who stay ahead in the earning race.
A customer arrives with water dropping from his
Brother,
cloth.
give me one hot tea. I'm shivering. And add two hot pakoras too. Sir, we have a rain welcome package. One tea, two pakoras, just 10 rupees. Where did you learn this welcome package idea from? Saw a video on YouTube. Give value. Don't raise price. That's what I'm doing. You have got a sales brain. Even MBA guys should learn from you. I didn't do MBA, but I have learned to read the faces of people getting wet.
Sonu new people is getting crunched are not only looking for tea but for warmth and taste and he
Can
gives
I get
them.
one cup of tea and something to eat too? Of course, sir. Here is the best medicine for the rain. One cup tea and two pakoras. Just 10 rupees. You are giving a welcome package? Sir, when tea is served with heart in the rain, then every package becomes a welcome one. Brother, give me 2 cups of tea and pakoras should be crispy. Sure, sir. Here, both taste and service are hot. Man, you have turned this into a hotel. It's a small stall, but my dreams are big. You have got a business bug in you.
And a well-dressed officer named Amrit Sharma arrived in a suit and tie.
Brother, give me a tea and something hot to eat, if you have. Yes, sir. Coming right up. Bringing your welcome package. Welcome package? That too at a tea stall? Sir, to give a package, you don't need a big brand. Just a big heart. And this tea, it's amazing. The taste comes from my mother's hand, sir. And the hard work is my father's gift to me. What is your name? Sonu. I'm Amit Sharma from Sharma Enterprises. Our company organizes events. If you want, we can give you a stall at one of our big events. Sir, I just run a street cart. You are not selling tea, you are selling experience. And that is priceless. But I don't know anything about events. You don't need to. Just keep doing what you do with heart. Then, sir, who can stop me for saying yes?
Slowly, the news spreads towards the walls areas. Sonu is going to get a big opportunities. His friend Raju is very happy to hear it and comes to meet Sonu.
Hey Sonu, I heard you are going to sell tea at a big event? Yes, bro, got a chance. The tea I sold while getting soaked in rain is now going to shine. You have done wonders, man. It's not magic, bro. Circumstances taught me. If you fear the rain, you'll die dry.
Sonu mother hears about the events. She gets worried. Big people's big work. She wonders if her son can really handle it. She is very much surprised that same big officers give her son.
Such big chance doesn't feel real.
Mom, the taste of your tea is what's making me known. Don't worry, everything will go fine.
If rings, it is calls from Ahmed.
Sonu, tomorrow is your stall under the name Rainy Cup. Be ready. Yes, sir. I'll give my best.
Preparations for the events are going on. Sonu is watching everything with excitement. Raju is also with him. Some people started decoration Sonu stalls.
Hey, they are putting lights on your stall. Bro, now along with tea, presentation matters too.
Many of Sonu's old customers also came to the
You
event.
are the same one, the tea seller from the Rains? Yes, sir. You have turned Rain into a brand. When wet people drink a cup of tea, they find peace. And that's what I sell.
After the event,
After drinking your tea, I realized branding isn't about fancy clothes. It's about the flavor made with heart. Exactly. The real brand is the one that stays with you when you are getting drenched. Now think. We'll open tea stalls like this across Mumbai. Are you ready? Sir, this was once a dream. And now that dream is about to become your business. The dream earned through hard work is the sweetest one, sir.
slowly everything at the events begins pressing Sonu teas. Amrit was very happy and came back to Sonu.
Sonu, we now want you to set up stalls all across Mumbai with the name Rainy Cup. Really, sir? I can't believe my tea became this famous so quickly. Dreams come true for those who are not afraid to get wet.
This phone rings. It's a call from Amit.
Sonu, tomorrow is your stall under the name Rainy Cup. Be ready. Yes, sir.
Amrit organizes a big event. Sonu stalls becomes famous. Theirs has Rainy Cup.
Sonu, now you are famous in all of Mumbai as Rainy Cup. What would you like to say? Just this, those who keep their spirit burning even the rain are the real businessmen. People call you a tea seller. Does that hurt you? No. When our PM Modi was called a tea seller and led India, then I am proud to be called Rainy Cup Wala.
Just then Raju arrived.
Hey, you have become a star. You said it. I have got an MBA brain. See, I didn't study MBA, but I have understood business now. You have shown everyone. Rain is not just to get wet, it's also time to rise and act. True that. Everyone wants a roof during rain. I just need a stove, not to make tea, but to boil new opportunities.
Son, you've made a poor mother feel rich.
No, Mom. It's the flavor you gave the tea that gave me an identity.
Everyone is talking about Sonu's tea.
Son, now your name is being mentioned on TV.
Mom, I just followed what you taught. Hard work, honesty, and hot tea. Your photos are going viral on Instagram. It's not my photo, bro. It's the hard work that's going viral.
Some reporters came to interview Sonu's now popular in the media.
Sonu, what's the secret of your success?
Every rain hides a chance. You just need the eye to see it.
And the taste in your tea?
It has mom's blessings, dad's hard work.
Your tea is now a must for people's hearts.
Because I don't sell tea, I serve hope.
You have shown even a tea seller can become a brand.
When your thinking is big, even a street cart becomes a company. We now want to open 25 branches of Rainy Cup. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Fully ready with all my efforts.
Last question. You were poor and now you're getting rich. How does it feel?
I'm still poor. The only difference is now my dreams has become rich.
Nearby, another man starts the similar tea cards. When Raju sees him, he runs to Sonu.
Hey, another tea seller just showed up to compete with you. That's great. Now we'll see real hard work. You are not scared? No, bro. I'm happy. Now people will compete with effort, not by lowering prices. But he's copying your style. If someone's copying my style, it means my style is working.
Just then, a old man comes and says thanks to Sonu.
Son, you taught my boy how to make tea at your stall. Now he runs his own tea stall in the village. Wow, uncle, he's succeeded with his own hard work. I'm just happy the taste of my tea has reached your village too. Man, you have become a brand now. This is true branding. When your dream becomes someone else's support.
Son, you have become so busy now, you don't even sit and drink tea.
Mom, the real joy of tea is only when you are sitting with me. Come on, let's have your tea today. Now you are going tips on social media too. Yes, bro. I'm teaching poor boys how one cup of tea can change your life. You have become a tea influencer now. If my words can change someone's life, then I'll keep speaking every day.
Must visit Sonu.
Sonu, I have an idea. Let's start a mobile tea van. Rainy on wheels. Brilliant! Now, no matter where the rain is, our tea will reach there. You have shown everyone poverty is not weakness, it's a challenge. And as long as the challenge exists, my tea will keep boiling.
On Sonu's tea stalls are boards readies. Every range is a chance not just to drink tea but to do
I
something
feel as if
big.
you're not just my son, but an inspiration for everyone.
And you'll always be my first customer, Mom. Tea is free for you for life.
Son, you've made this poor mother feel rich.
No, Mom, it was the flavor you put in the tea that gave me my name.
Just then our customer's voice
Bro,
is heard.
one rainy cup, please. Yes, sir. Coming right up. Hot, tasty, and made with heart. Your welcome package. When people look for roofs in the rain, I look for new corner to sell tea. I don't fear the falling drops. I see one more customer, one more chance, one more story. I'll just say this. Even if everything gets wet, don't let your dreams stay dry. And that's my philosophy.
A tea seller turns rains into opportunities worth another swarms and headed he set up a stalls and stood the show.
Son, you've made me so proud.
Mom, it's your tea that worked the magic. I was just the one who served it.
Sonu has 5 branches named Reni's Cup Choice with hearts and at every stall the slogan says every range is a chance not just to say tea but to do something big was poor but thoughts was rich had no roof but had the umbrellas of branches. Sonu told us nothing tastes better than the flavors of struggle.